Assalamu alaikum everybody, this is my 66 algorithm video. In this task, we are given 3 lists and we need to find the common elements in all of those 3 lists. And the numbers in those lists are sorted in an ascending order. For this purpose, we would be using 3 pointers, pointer 1, pointer 2 and pointer 3. Let me explain to you how this code would work. So initially, pointer 1, pointer 2 and pointer 3 points towards the 0 index of the 3 lists, and at 0 index 1 is lesser in comparison to 6 and 3, so pointer 1 would shift toward 1 index. It would go towards here, and for learning purposes I would be removing the value of 1, but when we would do actual coding we would not be removing elements from the list. In comparison of 5, 6 and 3, 3 is lesser, so pointer 3 would shift toward 1 index. It would go towards 4 now, right? So when we compare 5, 6 and 4, 4 is lesser in comparison of 6 and 5, so pointer 3 would shift towards second index. Now it has shifted towards 15 value. When we compare 5, 6 and 15, 5 is lesser, so pointer 2 would shift towards second index. Now in the next iteration 6 is lesser in comparison of 10 and 15, so pointer 2 would shift towards 1 index. When we compare 10, 7 and 15, 7 is lesser, so pointer 2 would shift towards second index. It would go towards 20. Now in the next iteration 10 is smaller in comparison to 15 and 20, so pointer 2 would shift towards third index. It now shifts towards the 20 value. Now in the next iteration 15 is smaller in comparison to the two 20s, so pointer 3 shifts towards the third index. Now in the next iteration the values of all 3 lists are equal, so we have found one common value, which is 20. So when all 3 values are equal for the list, all 3 pointers shift by 1 point. It goes towards 4th index, it goes towards 3rd index, and it also goes towards the 4th index. Now in the next iteration 40 is not lesser, 30 is lesser, so pointer 3 shifts towards 5th index. In the next iteration 40 is lesser in comparison to 80 and 70, so pointer 1 shifts towards 5th index. Now in list C, 70 is lesser in comparison to 80 and 80 values of list A and list B, so pointer 3 moves towards 6th index. Now in the next iteration all 3 lists have the same value, 80, 80, 80, so the common elements has another addition of 80, so all 3 pointers shift by 1 point. Now take note here, list A has become blank. We can't find any more common elements of the 3 lists, and also it gives us a hint. Then when either of the pointers becomes equal to the length of the list, then we should break out of the loop, while loop, which I would be utilizing in the code. Pointer 1 has now moved towards 6th index and the length of the list is also at 6. There is no value at 6th index, so this gives us an indication that we should stop coding and move toward the result. So now that I've explained to you the pseudocode, let's make the actual algorithm. I would make 3 pointers, pointer 1 is equal to 0, pointer 2 is equal to 0. These 0 values represent the index numbers initially. First I would make the if condition, if list A is blank or list B is blank or list C is blank, then we can't find common elements since at least one of the lists are empty. If this is not the case, then I would make a while loop, while true. If the value at a particular index of list A is lesser than the value of list B, and the value of list A at a particular index is lesser than the value of list C at a particular index, then I would increment the pointer 1 by 1 point. Similarly, if the value of list B at a particular index is lesser than the value of list A at a particular index, and the value of list B at a particular index is lesser than the value of list C at a particular index, then I would increment the pointer 2 by 1 point. Elif, if the value of list C at a particular index is lesser than the value of list A at a particular index, and the value of list C at a particular index is lesser than the value of list B at a particular index, then I would increment pointer 3 by 1 point. Elif, if the value of all the three lists at a particular index are equal, then I would append the common value to the common list. I would make a common list, and I would increment all the 3 pointers by 1 point. List A pointer 1, list B pointer 2, list C point, list C 2. And then I would append the common value to common list. I can also do list B pointer 2, list C pointer 3, but I am doing list A pointer 1 for my convenience. You can choose any value you would want. You can do list B pointer 2, it doesn't matter, because the value at that particular index for any of the list would be equal. Then I would be incrementing pointer 1 by 1 point, pointer 2 by 1 point, and pointer 3 by 1 point. And then I would check if either len of list A has become equal to pointer 1, or len of list B has become equal to pointer 2, or len of list C has become equal to pointer 3. Then I would break out of the while loop. Once out of the while loop, I would print the common list. So this is the answer as expected. 20 and 80 are the numbers that are common in the three lists, and if, for example, one of the list was blank, then we cannot find any common numbers in the three lists, because one of the lists are empty. So that was all from my side. I hope you liked my video. Please share, like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much.